Hi, Internet. Good morning. It's the first day of summer break!
The last day I'm spending here!
I gotta clean my office because my couch I ordered forever ago is finally being delivered. And I'm gonna put it right here. So I need to vacuum this yucky floor. And they said they'd be here between 10 and 2 and that they would call right before they came, or 30 minutes before. Bye. Do you want to try on your new shoes? Yesterday I got the girls matching shoes. Do you want to try on your new shoes? Here, can you sit? Let's get them. Shoes for your baby. Baby didn't come with us. She was with Daddy. You want to try them on? It goes on that foot. Yeah. Nope. That foot. You have the right foot. Alright, hold on. I gotta put the camera down. Lily's. Here's Lily's. See? Matchy matchy. Matchy sisters. Black shoes with a bow. Yeah, those are Lily's. Lily picked them out. I didn't. I wanted her to get some white sandals. So you know how people are. They like what they like. Oh, that's a mess in here. Let's go clean. Clean. Oops. Oops. I dropped my pony. We can't play ponies if you drop my pony. Here. Let's go play ponies. Right here. Right here. Right here. Hello. I'm a cow pony. I have cow dots on my body. No. Quit trying to look at the camera. Nay. Nay. Wait. Am I actually a cow? Moo. No. Huh? Get your shoes off my new couch. Okay, let's fold it back up.
No, let's jump.
Get off so I can fold it back up. Get off, Gammy. Get off. Get off. Come on. Whee! Get off, Gam. Come on. Lily?
I tried to scare her off.
See? It came with 2 pillows. I really like this little pull-out couch. It's super cool.
Yeah, and pillow fight.
No pillow fight.
Come on, Gamma. Let's go. Hey, we can go behind it too.
No, I'm gonna scoot it over there. Here, hold the camera so I can scoot it.
Okay, so hi everyone. By the way, I'm gonna make my own YouTube channel.
You are?
Yeah.
What's it gonna be called?
Lily and Julie's
look.
awesomeness. Lily and Julie's awesomeness, okay?
Lily and Julie's awesomeness. That sounds awesome.
And it's gonna be cool.
So cool. I got a little couch that turns into a pull-out. I got my little chair. We can still open the closet. Gamma, you banged into her nose. Do you like it, baby?
I love it. It's so comfortable.
No, keep that out there. Here's the giant box. You guys, we just got another package, too.
What?
I don't know. Let's see.
Everyone, look, my new shoes.
Yeah, those are your new shoes. I think this is the case for your tablet. Where's your new tablet, Lily?
It's upstairs. On
Get a comfy little couch.
Wee!
You guys can sit on my couch when I knit and sew and stuff.
And I hate you. That's
Huh?
mean. I hate you.
Mean. Oh no.
Kidding.
Yeah, it's Lily's new case and a present I got for my friend for her birthday. Don't tell her.
Happy birthday.
Don't tell my friend. This is where I got her.
Happy birthday. What is it? This is your skip case.
Get your tablet. Nope, nope, nope. Bring it here.